based on our discussions today between partners from India and Mozambique in this important sector. And once again, I thank you all for being here, for taking this initiative, for taking your time out from this busy schedule to only fortify our business, commercial, and investment relations with this important and strategic partner of ours, that is Mozambique. Thank you once again. Namaskar.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words and words of encouragement. I am sure with very active leadership at our High Commission there in Mozambique, and even ESC is committed to provide all the required support to both the sides as and when required. And just to taking the opportunity of sharing here that the Government of India will be through our forthcoming event, that we are always grateful to you for supporting it always. We are reaching out to the 22nd edition of IndiaSoft, which would be hopefully taking place in March 2022, and wherein the Government of India provides host the buyers who are willing to work with Indian companies in electronics and IT sector. And we will be sending a communication soon to our High Commission, and we look forward to get the nominations from the Mozambique buyers who would like to come physically to India to meet and network with these companies. And their airfare tickets will be taken care by the Government of India under the Market Access Initiative program of the Department of Commerce. So I extend my more warm welcome to you, and request all the delegates who are here to spread a word and connect with our commercial office of our High Commission for further details in this regard. And thank you so much, Excellency, for your kind words, and we look forward to same support in the years to come. With this, sir, we shift on to our...
Thank you, Gurmeet Singh Ji. Thank you, Gurmeet Singh Ji. It just goes without saying, it is just so obvious that I did not mention that the High Commission is always behind you, behind all our nationals, because that is what we are paid for. It is with your the taxes that we are getting paid for, and it is just my duty to be able to do whatever is needed to promote India, promote Indian products, be a salesman for India, even do door-to-door campaigning if necessary to promote India's exports to this country, and not just to this country, but also to the rest of the world wherever we get posted. So once again, please, the doors of the High Commission of India are always open. I am always available, and I look forward to meeting anybody from Mozambique who wants to import Indian products from India, as well as the Indian business leaders who wants to reach me to seek out any support that the High Commission of India can provide in this very important venture. Thank you so much once again to Mr. Gurmeet Singh, to Mr. Ajay Verma, I can just see, and to all the industry leaders of the India as well as Mozambique. And I wish you the very best, and I hope that your participation in this important Barcelona meet will bear fruits for your future business relations with this country. Thank you so much once again, and wish you the very best.
Thank you so much, sir. We always we appreciate your kind, generous offer, and we always count on your support to the Indian industry and the Mozambique people for a great networking and connecting with each other. Thank you so much, sir. With these, we move to the next session now to connect our introduction by the Indian side, followed by Mozambique side. So I request my colleague Mr. Rawat to please take this forward. And call Indian side for a very quick, very brief introduction so that the other companies can also follow. Thank you so much. Yeah, Rawat, you can start.
हेलो
हाँ ठीक है।
हेलो गुड
हाँ ठीक है।
हेलो
हाँ बोलो।
I request all the delegates from India to speak about their company and say something. Mr. Shailendra Bansal, please speak about you. Mr. Shailendra.
Good morning to my friend from Mozambique and good afternoon to my friend from India. My name is Shailendra Bansal and I represent a company called Embark. We are in the field of GPS tracking and fleet management. We are a 25-year-old IT company and we have developed a product called Finance Secure. We have partners in around 45 countries, including 11 in Africa, but none in Mozambique till now. So if anybody is interested from Mozambique, I would be happy to give an online demo of the software so that you can understand what exactly do we do. And if things work well, then we can become a partner in Mozambique. Thank you very much.
Yeah, next one, Mr. Garg, Sunil Garg from Visible Infotech. Mr. Garg.
You listen me now, sir?
Yeah, please speak.
Yeah. Namaskar to everybody. I'm representing Visible Infotech Private Limited. So we are the customized software developers. Basically, any kind of software services as SaaS, software as a service, that is our expertise. Mainly, we are in global display solutions, digital directories, cloud database, automation. So idea is that anything, any requirement, I don't know about the Mozambique, but any industrial requirement for related to automation or IT services, including making websites or mobile apps, and then softwares for automations of logistics, vehicle movement, etc. in industry. We have the team, we have the expertise to study your problem. The idea is that we will study your problem, whatever you want, your requirement will suggest. You have to just share your expression of interest. Any company or Mozambique want to import that kind of services has to just share the expression of interest, either sending an email or WhatsApp message. Then we will connect and we will understand your problem, understand your requirement, and we'll discuss the solution. And ultimately, we are already providing solutions in Nigeria, Nepal, India, more than 100 clients, and everything is customized. So, any requirement, please, everybody is most welcome. Just to send one line of expression of interest. Thank you very much.
May I request all the delegates from India to just share their contact in the chat box. And I request to other company to give a brief about their product and services they are involved in. So one by one, I request to speak about their company and products. Someone from Mr. Span Services, Mr. Dinesh Raju is there? Okay, Miss Vidya is there from Teletour? Okay, now I request to other company to speak something who from India side who are on the line.
Hello. Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Myself, Suresh Negi. I am representing the company called Sahasra Electronics, based in Noida. And basically, we are the EMS company. We give the electronic solutions. We do the contract manufacturing. We have our own product like flash drive. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, please, Surajji, yes, please speak.
Okay, thank you. So we are based in Noida, and we do the electronics manufacturing services, and also as well as we have the presence in East Africa. we have our LED manufacturing plant in Rwanda. So we believe that Rwanda and Mozambique have very good relations, political relations also. So we can support our Mozambique friends from India as well as in Rwanda. So we can support for electronics, any type of electronics manufacturing services, as well as the IT accessories. Thank you so much.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. This is Rama Mukamalla. I represent a company called Varaha Consulting. We are primarily into the sales of advanced metering infrastructure solutions. We help our clients in the space of supplying the smart meters in the for energy, water, and gas. Along with that, our primary focus area is implementing the advanced metering infrastructure, which includes the head-end system, meter data management system, the integrations with the utilities. So we have a strong depth of network with the manufacturers as well as with the OEM specialist in the advanced metering infrastructure space. So if anyone is interested to get the services or import the meters from India, we'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you. I have given my details in the chat box. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, Mr. Rama. And which city you are belongs to?
Yeah, I belongs to city Hyderabad.
I see.
Yeah.
Next one from India. Mr. Abhinav Mahajan from IB Solar. Mr. Abhinav. Mr. Jain, Mr. Anurag Jain is there.
Vai coordenar com o Leonor, acho que eu já fiz seguro, tá bom? Sim.
Hello, Mr. Anurag. Anyone from Indian side also? Okay, now I request Commercial Division of High Commission to give a brief about Mozambique company.
For the brief about, hello, I'm Sunil Sharma representing the High Commission of India. I'm Second Secretary looking after the commercial department here in the High Commission. I would invite Dr. Chaitanya Singh, who is the Executive President of the Indian Business Council here, and he can give a brief about the companies under IBC, the Indian companies here, and then he can invite all the Mozambican participants to introduce themselves one by one. So I would request Dr. Chaitanya Singh. Hello. Dr. Chaitanya Singh, are you there? I cannot.
Maybe he joined earlier, but he left, I think.
Or Mr. Ajay Verma, he is the General President. Let me call.
Okay, in between 2-3 Indian company has joined.
Yeah, let them introduce themselves then. I will meanwhile try to.
Okay, Mr. Harsh Goel from CSG Network. Mr. Harsh. Hello, Mr. Harsh. Okay, Mr. Abhinav Mahajan from IB Solar or Integrated Battery. ये ऑनलाइन है. No, anyone from Mozambique side, they can speak.
Yeah, we can start with the Mozambican site companies. So let me see who. Okay, 1 second.
Hello, very good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ranjan Singh from Mozambique. I would request Mr. Bansal, Sailendra Bansal, to reintroduce his company once again, please.
My name is Shailendra Bansal, and I represent a company called Embark. We are a 25-year-old IT company based in India, and we have developed a software called Find and Secure. It's a GPS tracking and fleet management software. It is used to track vehicles, children, pets, etc. And we have partners in around 45 countries who are using our software to offer tracking services in their respective geographical areas. We have partners in 11 African countries also, like Zambia, Zimbabwe, etc., Ethiopia, Algeria, Morocco, Nigeria, but not in Mozambique at the moment. And we would be interested to give an online demo to anybody who is interested so that they can understand more about the software. And if things work well, we can have a partnership for Mozambique. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Shailendra. We would like to have your email ID and other contact details so that we can contact you.
Yeah, sure. Mr. Ranjan, I've already put it in the chat box, but let me type it once more.
Okay.
And you can also give your email ID and your WhatsApp number so that I can communicate with you also.
Sure, I'll be doing that. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I can see Mr. Ajay Verma, our General President of IBC, so I would request him to call upon the Mozambican companies so that they can introduce themselves one by one. Mr. Ajay Verma. Please unmute yourself, Ajay.
Yeah, good morning. Am I audible now?
Yes.
Good morning. My name is Ajay Kumar Verma. I'm representing Indian Business Council in the capacity of President of General Assembly. We are always keen to connect the Indian companies with the Mozambican companies for the better business, trying to create the space so that we can receive better opportunities for our Mozambican companies from India. So this is a very good platform where we are getting very good information regarding software, electronic items, and other things which are necessary. Hope it gives better prospects for those who are in Mozambique and those who are in India as well. My best wishes to everyone. Thank you so much.
Ajay, would you like to invite this participating Mozambican companies to introduce themselves one by one? Otherwise, everybody will start talking together. Then it won't be clear.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Am I audible again? I would like to invite Mr. Manoj Advani.
Hello, everybody. Hello.
Please.
Yeah. Hello, everybody. My name is Manoj Advani. I'm the country manager for Blueberry Group. Our company is a travel management company, but we also have the business in the electronic. We are importing the home appliances like TV, fridge, water dispensers, congelators, and other domestic electronics. We are doing our brand. It's called SPJ. I am sending the details in the group chat box. I will just send it. So we are looking for the suppliers from India. Normally we are doing from Dubai, from different countries via Dubai. Our head office is in Dubai. I am only the country manager. I'm just looking for the Mozambique area. So we are looking for the supplier who are doing the white labeling or the branding, like they are manufacturing and they are labeling our brand. So we are just looking for if any supplier is available for that kind of things, the electronic appliances, the home appliances. So I will forward the details to our head office. So then they will contact to them directly. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Manoj Advani. Now may I call upon Mr. Bhavesh. Mr. Bhavesh, are you there?
Hello, everyone. My name is Bhavesh Narendrakant. I am the commercial manager for a company called Oleos Mozambique. We basically represent Castrol in country. We have been appointed distributor for Castrol, the lubricant brand, and we are open to open new areas of business in Mozambique and open for any new opportunities. Thank you. And I also share my contact on the chat box. Thank you.
Okay, anyone from? Yeah, Mr. Abhinav, IB Solar, please speak.
Good morning to you. Good morning to all the friends from Mozambique, and good afternoon here in India to ESC, Mr. Rawat, and all the other delegates. My name is Abhinav Mahajan. I am from IB Solar, based out of Noida in state of Uttar Pradesh, India. We are solar panels, solar batteries, and solar power plants integrators for last 7 years. Although my company is around 22 years old, 32 years old company. In solar, we are around 6 to 7 years old. We have got a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Noida, and we are operating from 3 different factories. One is for panels, one is for batteries, and another is for solar electronics. And we are also setting up big size solar power plants in several areas in India, and we have also set up solar power plants in Africa region also. And we are continuously exporting our products to many countries in Middle East and Africa region. In Middle East, we are majorly supplying our batteries products. So this is a brief intro, and I have shared my email address on the chat box also. If anybody wants to contact me on this platform or through email, most welcome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. From the Mozambican side, can we call Mr. Kunal Virshan to introduce himself?
Good morning to everybody in Mozambique and afternoon to everybody in India. This is my first time here. My name is Kunal Virshand, and I am managing one company called ABV Services. We are doing IT support for some companies, corporate companies here in Mozambique. And I'm very happy to talk with Mr. Shailendra Bansal and Mr. Sunil from Visible Infotech. Because the service which I'm giving here, I will need your support for software services, automation, and for 3G and 4G software.
Sure.
So I will contact you, these two companies by off one-to-one during this week probably. And then I only have to thank all of you to give me this opportunity.
Please share your WhatsApp number. Just please share your.
Yes, I will. I will share. I will share my number here.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Sunil.
On the chat box, just share it right now. I will connect you.
Yes, for sure. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kunal. May I call Mr. Bharat Singh Solanki to introduce himself? Mr. Bharat, yeah.
Hello.
Unmute yourself.
Sorry, can you hear me?
Yes.
My name is Bharat Singh Solanki. I am representing Harish Group Limited in Mozambique, and plant manager. And we are interested in solar operated water pumps and other equipments. So I'll send my profile also. Thank you very much.
Mr. Bharat, I request Mr. Parag to introduce himself. Mr. Parag.
One second, please. 1 second. Yeah, good morning, Mozambique. It's almost afternoon. Good morning, and I think India, good afternoon. How are you? Can you hear me?
Yes, please.
Hello, can anybody hear me?
Yeah, everybody.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Okay,
Please.
I'm in Mozambique too. I'm in Shashai. It's a northern city, 210 kilometers away from Maputo, from the capital of Maputo, and I'm in, as you see, in trading, plasticware, kitchenware, and local products, local hair pieces, hair products. I don't know. Can you people, 1 second. Start my video. Okay. This is my. Yeah, okay. I'm in Mozambique. I don't know if I can. Anyway. Yes, I mean, I'll send my profile also, as Mr. Bharat said, in the IBM group. And I'm here since last 32 years.
Okay.
And my son is there also, and he's starting his recycling factory here in Shashai within 1 or 2 months, and we're looking forward to get machinery from India for compacting and recycling. But let's see, that is in the near future. That we can talk later in the near future. No problem. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Parag. May I call Mr. Sumit to introduce himself?
Mr. Giant
Mr. Sumit Singh.
बाहर डेटा के डेलीगेट्स डालते हैं कहाँ
Mr. Sumit, are you there? So let's hear about Mr. Nuruddin. I invite Mr. Nuruddin to introduce himself.
Good morning in Mozambique and in India, as it is good afternoon. My name is Nuruddin Panania. I am here in Mozambique since 2003. I am in FMCG business, but I'm interested in diversify my business in electronics. So anybody wants to contact me, I have shared my contacts in WhatsApp and this chat group. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Nuruddin. I trust we have covered all participated from Mozambique. So the call is in the hand of Mr. Gurmeet Singh. Thank you.
Yeah, we have one guy, Mr. Rishi Raj. So he will speak something about his company. Yeah, Mr. Rishi. I think he left. Anyone from Indian side? I think it is over now, and I would request once again, Mr. Sailendra, because some company they wanted to discuss with you about. I think maybe Ranjan, Mr. Ranjan.
Yeah, sure. I just communicated with him.
Yeah, we are a communication. And further, we'll interact on WhatsApp and email, and also we'll have a call.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sure. Thank you, Mr. Rawat.
Thanks.
Thank you, everybody. I think I would like to leave now.
Mr. Bhagesh, do you want to add something in this?
I think we can finish the session here because there are no more
He has left.
representatives. Is there any representative company left to or anyone interested in introducing which or anyone we missed out? So Ravaji, I think then we can end the session here. If someone has more queries from our side, they can send the email to us in the here in the High Commission. And most of the companies have got have shared their coordinates, their contacts in the chat box. Still, if someone has more questions, they we are always there to answer the question. They can write to us. Ajay Verma ji is there from the IBC. He has also shared his contacts. So we will try our best to whatever way we can help in increasing the Indian exports to Mozambique. So thank you everyone for joining, for your time. Thank you everyone, and we hope to we have to have more such sessions in future with good participation and more speakers.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think we can stop here. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Hello.